Hi, this is PC Roger, and the purpose of this short video is to show you how to get started on my free computer consultant help forum. Now, it's a simple machines forum, so you may have seen this format before, but a number of people do seem to have a little difficulty getting signed up and posting their first message asking for help. So I thought I'd do a little video and show you how to do that. Now, the screen's kind of crunched because I have to accommodate a lot of screen sizes, so I've got a kind of a small window here. But if you notice when you first come here, and the address is simply freecomputerconsultant.com/forum, or if you're on my site, I have this big button here near the top that you can click on and go there. But if you're in the forum, you'll notice here somewhere on the left top, you will find welcome guest. Please log in or register. Well, if you don't have a login, haven't been here before, you need to register. And that would be click on this icon right here. So to do that, and I'm scrolling here, the username, I'm going to just pick something just for today. Use a Gmail address here to confirm the login that I just created. And you can check here to say hide email address in public. For a password, use something that you can remember. I've got a couple of suggestions on my website for password safes, and the suggestion of LastPass you can see here is popping up. I like LastPass for keeping track of passwords. We'll just make something up for right now. This account will be deleted after the video. And because of spammers and bots and all that kind of thing, we do have to have one of these CAPTCHAs here. And if we can scroll down here, we will find a box to agree to all the mumbo jumbo and click register. And what's going to happen is you'll get this little thank you note, and it says you'll receive an email that you'll have to actually click on that link to register and to activate your account. And if you don't receive an email, then check your spam folder. Also, if you do have a problem with that activation, you can see where if you come back to where you came to register initially, there is a link down here for did you miss your activation email. Click on that and it will resend it. So now we will pop over to Gmail. And here in the Gmail account, you can see I have a new message, Free Computer Consultant. Welcome to the Free Computer Consultant help forum, as I clicked on the message here. And here in Gmail, you're now registered, username, password, and you can see that if you don't remember what you typed in, here's a chance to type that in to a password safe of some kind, or as I said, LastPass works well for me. But you do have to click on this link to activate it, and here's an activation code that it gives you for dealing with any difficulties you run into. As you click on that, you can see where it comes back and tells you your account's been successfully activated. You can now proceed to log in. And you can choose whether or not to always stay logged in. And now that you are logged in, and again, bear with me here, we do have kind of a small screen. This is set up at just 800 by 600. Hopefully you're at a resolution higher than that. And you can see here I've just got a couple of actual categories. And if you're looking for help, then this general discussion 1 would be the appropriate category to click on. If you look over on the right, you'll see Mark Read, Notify, and New Topic. Now this is how you actually get started if you want to ask for help. Now you're certainly welcome to do a search here and see if your question has been asked before and answered, and I actually recommend that because it's less work for me, but it's also an instant response for you if you can find the answer already there. But if you cannot, click on New Topic over here, type in the subject, try to make it as descriptive as possible, and you can use all the standard icons, smileys, things like that. But bottom line is type in your message here, and what you want to do is click on the additional options. Now you can set this up in your profile, and that's what I do and I recommend you do also. But notify me of replies. That way you know when I've answered it or someone else has answered your question, you get an email telling you that's there. You don't have to keep checking back or you don't forget about it. and just go ahead and post, and you'll get an email when there's a response. Now, just to show you how to set that up, let's go into Profile here, and there are a number of different things that you can set up here. But let's look at the notifications and email. Okay, if you look at here under the profile, there's a couple of checkboxes already checked, but check this one here. It says turn notification on when you post or reply to a topic, and then click Save Settings. And now we will go back to the main discussion board here, and we will post a new topic. I'll just call this test notification. And look in the additional options here, and you notice that now the notify me of replies is already checked. And if you have put in anything in here that maybe a URL link that you needed to put in, or a smile or something, if you want to see how it's going to look, you can click on the preview button, and just to make sure it's going to look the way you want. You can see there's not much here, it just says test, but you can preview the way it's going to look before you actually post it. So that's it for this short video. Just wanted to help those people that do have trouble kind of navigating this kind of a maze here. It is a little bit untidy, and I apologize for that. There are some ads and some other things that if you're not used to this type of a forum, it can be a little bit daunting. And just to remind you that if you want to put freecomputerconsultant.com in your whitelist, that would help also to make sure you get that notification email. But if you do have problems, just go back to the original screen where you registered and click on the resend activation email. So thanks for watching. I hope you'll stop by my forum frequently. Talk to you later.